Anandavarshan J got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College, Trichy. Janahari Priyanka J got placed in Government Pudukkottai Medical College. Nandakumar B got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Vishnuvardhan V got MBBS seat in Government Namakkal Medical College. Vaishnavi KJ got MBBS seat in Karpaga Vinayaga Institute of Medical Sciences. Pragadish R got placed in Stanley Medical College, Chennai. Ramanan S got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Dharanidharan S got MBBS seat in Madras Medical College. Shriram M got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Naveen U got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Dhanush S got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Jo Sarulraj J got MBBS seat in Arunai Medical College. Kavya S got MBBS seat in Karpagam Faculty of Medical Sciences and Research. Nadia M got MBBS seat in Government Krishnagiri Medical College. Pavitra S got MBBS seat in Government Tirunelveli Medical College. Pungodi D got MBBS seat in Government The Nilgiris Medical College. Ravina A got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Roshan A got MBBS seat in Arunai Medical College. Shrivarshini M got MBBS seat in Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College. Dinesh Karthik V got MBBS seat in Madras Medical College. Rajadeepak R got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Gokulavani S got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Rajeshwari R got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Mukundan V got MBBS seat in Government Thoothukudi Medical College. Sindhu P got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Damuraj T got MBBS seat Ariyalur Medical College. Dilip Kumar G got MBBS seat in Government Ariyalur Medical College. Mehala LR got MBBS seat in Swami Vivekananda Medical College. Harini KK got BDS seat in Vivekananda Dental College. Nandita S got MBBS seat in Government Dindukkal Medical College. Sabarish S got MBBS seat in Karpaga Vinayaga Institute of Medical Sciences. Shalini C got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Siranjit V got MBBS in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Somasundaram E got MBBS in Government Tirunelveli Medical College. Soundarya S got MBBS in Annapurna Medical College. Yuvaraj R got MBBS in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Darshini S got MBBS in Government Tanjavur Medical College. Deshik Sudarshan U got MBBS in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Jeevan NP got MBBS seat in Government Erode Medical College. Kavin Khanna V got MBBS seat in Government Ramanathapuram Medical College. Meghanath T got MBBS in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Puvesh M got MBBS in Government KAPV Medical College. Praveen Raj N got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College. Rajarajeshwari H got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Ranjani B got MBBS in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Sridharan E got MBBS in Stanley Medical College. Tamil Selvan R got MBBS seat in Government Dindukkal Medical College. Vaishnavi S got MBBS in Annapurna Medical College. Vedashruti M got BDS in Nanda Dental College. Vidya Bharati G got MBBS in Stanley Medical College. Mamatisya K got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Ilamparathi R got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Shweta S got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Bhuvanesh A got MBBS seat in Government the Nilgiris Medical College. Tanuja TK got MBBS seat in St. Peter's Medical College. Indumati SR got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvannamalai Medical College. Vaishali M got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Mahan P got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Monica S got MBBS seat in Government ESIC Medical College. Priyadarshini R got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Shrikant A got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Subaranjini P got MBBS seat in Government Namakkal Medical College. Sudarshan AM got MBBS seat in Government Ariyalur Medical College. Lakshmi M got BDS seat in Best Dental Science College, Madurai. Bharati M got MBBS seat in Stanley Medical College. Akash Prabhu N got MBBS seat in Government Tirunelveli Medical College. Anbarasu S got MBBS seat in Government Kadalur Medical College. Evika K got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Govardhani S got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Kaushikan E got MBBS seat in Government Tanjavur Medical College. Kumareseelan P got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Lakshana S got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Animara Prasad S got MBBS seat in SRM Medical College Hospital and Research. Manjula M.Y got MBBS seat in Government Krishnagiri Medical College. Nisha K.V got MBBS seat in Government Nagapatnam Medical College. Nitish Kumar K got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College. Nivashini S got MBBS seat in Velammal Medical College and Hospital Research Institute, Madurai. Paul Raj S got MBBS seat in Government the Nilgiris Medical College. Rahul G got MBBS in Government Velur Medical College. Soundar M got MBBS seat in Government Namakkal Medical College. Soumya A got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvarur Medical College. Tamil Inban S got MBBS seat in Government Kanyakumari Medical College. Venmati M got MBBS seat in Government Erode Medical College. Anu got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvannamalai Medical College. Anushya M got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvallur Medical College. Deepak S got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Gokul Raj V got MBBS seat in Government Ramanathapuram Medical College. Indumati K got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Karnan P got MBBS seat in Government Kanyakumari Medical College. Lingeshwaran J got MBBS seat in Government Pudukkottai Medical College. Monisha S got MBBS seat in Government Madurai Medical College. Priyadarshini A got MBBS seat in Government Viluppuram Medical College. Satish Kumar S got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Sharmila R got MBBS seat in Government the Nilgiris Medical College. Shyam Sundar E got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Shivambika S got MBBS seat in Government Velur Medical College. Sneha R got MBBS seat in Indira Medical College. Soumya KG got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Shrikant P got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvannamalai Medical College. Shubharanjana M got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Sunil N got MBBS seat in Government Chengalpattu Medical College. Uma Shankari S got MBBS seat in Government Dindakkal Medical College. Harini AJ got BDS seat in JKK Nadraj Dental College and Hospital. Balaji S got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvarur Medical College. Bhuvaneshwari S got MBBS seat in Government Namakkal Medical College. Gobi Kishore JS got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvannamalai Medical College. Kalai Priya K got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Kamali K got MBBS seat in Government Virudhunagar Medical College. Kaviyarasan G got MBBS seat in Government Theni Medical College. Kausalya R got MBBS seat in Government Tirupur Medical College. Monica RB got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Nidarshana ST got MBBS seat in Sri Muthukumaran Medical College, Chennai. Rashmi T got MBBS seat in Government Krishnagiri Medical College. Santosh Kumar P. got MBBS seat in Government Kadalur Medical College. Shweta M.R. got MBBS seat in Keelpark Medical College. Tanushri C.S. got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvannamalai Medical College. Varsha S. got MBBS seat in Government Viluppuram Medical College. Vignesh R. got MBBS seat in Government Krishnagiri Medical College. Divisha S. got MBBS seat in Government Virudhunagar Medical College. Abhinaya T. got MBBS seat in Government Virudhunagar Medical College. Dhanavarshani J. got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Mukesh Raj B.M. got MBBS seat in Stanley Medical College. Mohan Raj R. got MBBS seat in Keelpark Medical College. Narendran S.K. got MBBS seat in Keelpark Medical College. Mukesh C. got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Dhanusha P. got MBBS seat in Government Madurai Medical College. Mahishavardhini S. got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Srikanth K. got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College. Vandana P. got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College. Sakti Shri V. got MBBS seat in Government Dindigul Medical College. Vetri Murugan M. got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Kritika K. got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Sangeeta G. got MBBS seat in Government Dharmaburi Medical College. Priyadarshini K. got MBBS seat in Government Ariyalur Medical College. Gokul Raj M. got MBBS seat in Government Ariyalur Medical College. Salatullah S. got MBBS seat in Mada Medical College and Hospital. Madhushankari G. got BDS seat in KSR Dental College. Iniyadarshini V. got MBBS seat in Stanley Medical College. Anugraha Shri S. got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College. Kishonika C. got MBBS seat in Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Shweta E.N. got BDS seat in JKK Nadraj Dental College. Naveen Dyson E.S. got MBBS seat in Government Madurai Medical College. Thabari Dyson E.S. got MBBS seat in Government KAPV Medical College. Santosh R. got MBBS seat in Government Coimbatore Medical College. Balamurugan S. got MBBS seat in Government Kallakurichi Medical College. Bharat Kumar S.P. got MBBS seat in Government Kadalur Medical College. Devadarshini S. got MBBS seat in Government Nagapatnam Medical College. Hariharan R. got MBBS seat in Government Karur Medical College. Kiran Kumar S. got MBBS seat in Government Tirupur Medical College. Kaushika Shri S. got MBBS seat in Government Krishnagiri Medical College. Madhumita R. got MBBS seat in Government Namakkal Medical College. Madhupriya K. got MBBS seat in Government Erode Medical College. Naveen Kishore R. got MBBS seat in Government Tirunelveli Medical College. Naveen R. got MBBS seat in Government Thiruvannamalai Medical College. Pavitra P. got MBBS seat in Government Erode Medical College. Santhya T. got MBBS seat in Government Mohan Kumaramangalam Medical College. Shivamani Balaji S. got MBBS seat in Government Chengalpattu Medical College. Dravida Selvi R. got MBBS seat in Government Kadalur Medical College. Varsha G. got MBBS seat in Government The Nilgiris Medical College. Afsia Rahman A. got MBBS seat in St. Peter's Medical College. Srinath Duraisamy got MBBS seat in Madras Medical College. Vishal Govindan got MBBS seat in Government Ramanathapuram Medical College. Ram Kumar R. got MBBS seat in Government Ariyalur Medical College.